Hi, this is Matt with Hauling Inspections. You hear a lot of talk about double-lugged breakers and the potential fire hazards they can be. Well, I'm going to show you a panel with a double-lugged breaker in it right now where all the jacketing is melted on it. The wires have definitely overheated, they've scorched. This is a potential fire waiting to happen, and this is a 4-unit housing complex. So this doesn't affect just one person or one house. It affects all 4 tenants in this unit. So you can see right here where these have all started to melt and where they've overheated. That is a very, very significant fire hazard and potential to cause a lot of pain and heartache and misery for everybody that lives in this unit. So for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions, make sure in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East that you call Hauling Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.